Busy loving myself, putting me first. Now that I know I deserve more, I'm busy loving myself, putting me first. Made up my mind, I'm on my grind. My time to shine, you hit my line. I press decline, no time for that, I'm moving forward.
Hey you guys, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on my toes. This is what neglect looks like. Working 12 hours night shift on my feet all night, not taking care of myself, no self-love, no self-care, going to sleep every day. So I'm tired of feeling this way in my feet, so I'm gonna do my best to start taking care of my feet more. I'm gonna be doing my own feet. I'll probably go to the salon maybe in the spring, summer, but for right now, these next few months, I'm gonna do it myself. So here we go. The first one is just cleaning up my nails. Oh, my nails look so terrible and horrible the way they grow, because those shoes, I was wearing bricks for shoes, you guys. Oh my gosh. Not good at all. Lady, please take care of your feet. Schedule a self-care day. And this is just me raw and rugged, getting back to loving myself and not neglecting myself anymore. Self-love, self-care is so important. Nobody else is going to do it for you but yourself, ladies. Yeah, a guy may want to pay for it here and there, but you got to regularly continue to take care of yourself. It's important. It really is. You're going to see a lot of crust and dust coming from my toes. Yes, it's a lot. So what I'm doing is I have the thin, what do you call these things? Drill bit. Now the first few things, I'm just going to show y'all how crusty it is. The first few minutes, and then I'm going to fast forward. But also, I know you guys looking at my toes. Oh my god, look at that. Look how hard that was to get up. That is so crazy. All that dead skin. This is so not cool. I'm a beautiful woman. There's no way my feet should look like eagle's claws. Ooh, those is scary. That's alright. Continued self-love and self-care. I'm going to get them back together. My dogs ain't going to be barking no more. And ladies, when you do this, take your time. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. And use the setting on low or, low to medium. Because it is your natural nail bed that you're using this on. And around your cuticles. And you want to make sure you don't cut yourself or cause any rips or tears in your skin. Yep, so I'm just going around, y'all. My goodness, the skin, dead skin around my cuticle bed. My nails was so dry and so strong. That's why I'm doing a dry manicure first. And then I also want to tell y'all, I'm doing this on the floor. I have no foot spa to soak my feet in. I have no bucket to soak my feet in. I'm doing this on the floor. I have no chair. I have no table. So I'm doing my best. It took me 3 hours, you guys, to do my feet. Doing this lets me know I was neglecting myself all across the board because me bending over and I had to stretch. Oh my goodness, I felt it everywhere. I just kept having to push through it, perseverance. And I felt like I just refused to let myself go. Like I just refuse. I'm not gonna do this to myself no more. My cuticles is so hard. Oh, and then what I'm using is a mesh type thing, you guys. I know it's all unorthodox. I had to do what I had to do to take care of my feet for the moment. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, it's falling off. All that dead skin. My goodness. I'm just happy that, oh, look at all that. Ooh wee. I had some crusties. Look at all that. See, if I would have went to the salon, they wouldn't have did all that. They wouldn't have got in all good. Yep. Yep, look. It's hard to even get it. Working on my feet, standing up from 7 at night to 7 in the morning. And then they gave us shoes. We could have wore our own shoes. I wore the shoes they gave me, but those things was cylinder blocks. Cylinder blocks. And my feet was aching so bad every day I get off of work. And then even when I wore my own comfortable shoes, my feet was still hurting. Oh, look how bad my toes look, y'all. Ladies, take it from me. Take care of yourselves constantly, please. It's a must. What is his name? Guys, I will, I can, I must. That's what I have to do, and that's what we have to do, ladies. Look at that. So I think now this is fast forwarding, speeding up, because it's a long video. If I did it like regular, it would have been so long. So I'm gonna speed it up, see the process. It took me forever. Comment on what you below the things that you see me do, because I know it's unorthodox. Yep, look at me doing my best to clean my toes. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy went home. This little piggy went wee all the way home. I don't know what I'm saying, you guys, but I'm just happy I was doing my feet. You just don't know. They was looking atrocious. And just to let you guys know, I do love myself, but sleeping every day, I didn't want to do nothing. By the time I get home, and when I took a shower and went to sleep, it was time for me to get up to go to work again. Constantly, like clockwork. No more. I'm not killing myself no more on my feet. Look at that. Watch this, y'all. Watch. Dang, that's still they look a little bit better. Hey, look at the hair on my toes. I'm gonna shade that. Look at Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. Back to the regular scheduled program. I'm gonna have to play some music for that. Alright, well, you see me using my cuticle nippers and my cuticle pusher. Ooh, I had some, man, when I tell you I had a lot of dead skin around my cuticles and built up on my nail bed, it was ridiculous. Yeah, I'm using the ball round circle drill bit, and I'm using the skinny one. Ooh, look at all that. This is the skinny one now. That was terrible. My toenails didn't seem long, they was long enough. Ooh. Yep. I'm getting all that. See, if I would have went to the salon, they wouldn't have did all that. Nope. It's alright. It's alright. And when I do go back to the salon, my nails gonna be straight and better because I done been to take care of them. Oh, this is the same video over again. I don't know. Look at all that crusty crust. Ladies, take care of yourself if I ain't said enough. And I'm talking to myself too. This is raw and rugged. This is full blown neglect in the flesh. Yeah. Yep. So satisfying to clean my toes. I had so much dead skin, you guys. It's just ridiculous. Oh, okay. I did that more than once. Okay, so I'm gonna have to edit those. It's like 3 or 4 of them. It's the same. Okay, let me stop. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, guys, you see I was using Mia Secret. I'm about to put tips, Gel X tips on my big toes. It was a struggle trying to hold that on there, but I finally got it done. Now I'm shaping. There was Savvy Land products that I used for the Gel X. So 2 nail tips for my big toe. So I'm just shaping it down just to my liking. And now I'm about to paint my toes, you guys. Now don't judge me. I put it on top of my Gel X lamp. It got the job done, and it's mine. And it's gonna get cleaned, even though my toes was just clean. So, snapshot. I had to put that in there because you can't see my toes because it's curved in. You see my pinky toe curved in. I gotta get one of those toe correctors to make my toes go straight. So I'm putting a second coat on. They're looking better already, you guys. And then I'm gonna do my nails next. So there's another video if you want to watch to see my nails. But for right now, just loving on my toes. Tell me what you think once I'm done. You can like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I bring you more videos on me loving on my toes. There you go. Bam. They look better than what they was. They went from ashy to classy. Yes. Okay. They look better than what they did. Okay, girl. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing my toes. I picked the color green because it's one of my favorite colors. I hope you enjoyed this motivation, ladies. Take care of yourself. You are more important. If your health and mental ain't right, you ain't gonna be right. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's more to come. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, my creative queens.